By using Meveas products, we have been able to take steps towards digital products and even creating new business. Hydroline is a family-owned company, and we are manufacturing hydraulic cylinders, mainly for mobile machines. We are located in Finland, near a city called Kuopio, and then we are having a factory in Poland. We are having Meveas software in use, and also on physical side we are having a quite big simulator made by Mevea. Virtual model of excavator, and that model is used for demonstration purposes. As Mevea's simulator model is having actual hydraulic model behind running, we are picking all the sensor data from the model, and that sensor data is used for connection to our system. Leo is a hydraulic cylinder condition monitoring product, and it has been developed together with simulators. Leo collects and analyzes all cylinder-related sensor data and calculates lifetime for the hydraulic cylinder. We have been able to connect our Leo calculation unit to the simulator through Hill connection. We have been very happy doing cooperation with Mevea. Without Mevea's tools, we would be lacking one of the key elements of our system.